Hey guys, well we finally did it. We hit the 100 subscriber mark. You know, that's a big milestone in my opinion. You know, I've been waiting a while to get to this point, but I couldn't be more excited. You know, I really appreciate you all being here, joining me, sticking around, watching the videos, liking the videos. It's been a great experience so far, and I'm really happy to continue forward. I'd also like to thank a couple of channels that really inspired me to get started on my own journey here on YouTube. One of which is BKXC. Brian, you know, he does the Ride Along POV series, which I think are really great. Does an excellent job in them, and I really enjoy watching those. And also GMBN, or Global Mountain Biking Network, which is obviously if you're watching this, more than likely you know about that channel as well. And that's been a huge inspiration to get started and to try to make real quality videos. You know, not just, you know, strap a camera to my chest, go down a trail, and then just post it. I try to make something a little bit more refined, a little more polished, and it's a little more enjoyable to watch. So yeah, thank you to those guys for really inspiring me to get started. So going forward, I have a lot of great ideas for future videos and some exciting things coming down the road here. Like I had mentioned in my channel trailer video, the reason I got into mountain biking is just, you know, I fell in love with the sport, you know, being out in the wilderness, riding down trails, being in Mother Nature, and being on just a basic, primitive, utilitarian device to connect with nature and to get outside of the house and be healthy and active and just have fun riding my bike, man. I really just can't get enough of it. I wish I had more time. You know, I now have a family. I have a wife and a young son who's 16 months old, and I run a small business and now this YouTube channel. So I don't have all the time in the world these days, but I really try to get out there as much as I can and also produce some great videos that I can share with you guys, and hopefully you find entertaining and you enjoy watching as well. And again, I really appreciate you all joining me. I hope you'll stick around a lot longer. If you haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate you subscribing, and you all have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.